This is a short video about visualizing art networks with artistinfo.com. Artists and exhibition venues are connected in many ways through exhibitions, not to forget the curators. Artists are documenting their exhibitions in their CV, exhibition venues in their exhibition history, each with an individual point of view and to confirm their individual profile. By documenting the exhibition information of artists, curators, and exhibition venues, artistinfo.com provides new insight and overview by cross-linking this exhibition information. For example, this helps to look up which artists participated in a group exhibition. But how is it possible to look into these many thousand bits and pieces of exhibition information to research and benefit from the important value and role of exhibitions? To solve this, artistinfo.com is visualizing the exhibition information by using a network graph and is providing like this a new overview and insight. In this video, we are analyzing, with the help of this network graph, the solo and group exhibitions of one artist to show how he is connected with other artists through his exhibitions. A common way to document the solo and group exhibitions is this example. The biography and exhibitions listed are giving a first basic overview. It could be called a one-dimensional overview. An exhibition venue publishes an exhibition history to inform about its profile and concept by listing chronologically solo and group exhibitions with the shown artists and the curators. To inform about the important group exhibition details, like on this website, gives already more insight. However, especially when the number of exhibitions grows and with them the number of additional information on artists, this one-dimensional presentation is getting longer and longer. Furthermore, you may want to check out what else a specific exhibition venue is showing to find out more about its profile, concept, and artists. To make this possible, artistinfo.com documents and cross-links exhibition information. As an example, this is Chris Newman's exhibition history on artistinfo.com. The summary section gives an analytical overview of his exhibition history. For example, artistinfo.com knows 97 exhibitions, 49 solo and 48 group exhibitions, including 769 artists in his 97 exhibitions. Below the summary section is the interactive exhibition history with Newman's solo and group exhibitions in chronological order. To see, for example, all artists in his group exhibition, Artists Painters, you select the exhibition place and you get the list of artists in the group exhibition Artists Painters. This interactive exhibition history may be called a two-dimensional overview in comparison to the visualized three-dimensional overview of exhibition information. Although the interactive artistinfo.com exhibition history gives already an important new insight into exhibition details, it would be an important advantage to see how the many artists in the exhibitions Chris Newman took part are connected and if there are patterns, cluster or subcluster. Is Chris Newman connected to specific groups of artists? Who are the other artists and how are they connected among each other by having been shown together? Did they have more or fewer exhibitions together? Visualizing the many details of an exhibition history can provide this new and exciting overview and insight. The before prepared dataset is using not only the documented exhibition history of Chris Newman in artistinfo.com, but as well the exhibition information in artistinfo.com of all other artists in his group exhibitions. We are publishing the visualization in a separate browser window using Gephi as network graph software. The left sidebar in the browser window includes branding like here artistinfo.com or branding of a specific project. The search selects and filters an artist in this visualization. Below is placed some more additional information. The center with the visualized exhibition information in form of a network graph first shows all artists, represented by nodes and connections called edges in the network graph language. Mouse over on the nodes shows the artist's name. The right sidebar opens by selecting an artist in the center. It shows at the top a back button to reset the visualization in the center. The artist who was selected by clicking a node in the network cluster is displayed in the header of the right sidebar. It shows this artist's connections through her or his exhibitions with all other artists and the center artist, like here Chris Newman. Mouse over in the list of the right sidebar identifies the artist in the network cluster. The icons below the header in the right sidebar are indicating additional information on artistinfo.com, like exhibition announcements, artwork offers, artist portfolio, or community links of the artist in the header. Each artist in the right sidebar can be clicked to filter the network cluster further. The node diameter refers to the number of connections with other nodes. The different colors of network clusters identify subclusters connected to the center artist. Let's see with two examples how it works. Selecting Kyle Southgate shows the cluster of a specific group of artists who are connected through their exhibitions. Only one artist, Wayne Barker, is connected to another cluster of artists outside this group. Clicking Wayne Barker shows a second subcluster with green nodes and edges representing another group of artists connected through their exhibitions. A new example shows a different result. Again, the turquoise subcluster shows a strong group of artists who are shown together with Ikemura and Chris Newman, but also some artists who are belonging to other subclusters, like, for example, Katharina Grosse. Clicking on Katharina Grosse reveals no specific subcluster anymore, but many different connections through exhibitions to other artists connected with the center artist Chris Newman. Because the clusters are not groups of artists which are only connected to the center artist, we used the exhibition information as well to show artists who are outside a specific cluster and are connected only with one artist inside the cluster. The visualization shows the artist outside the cluster with the highest number of exhibitions together with the artist inside the cluster. The so-called proposition artists are displayed on the outside border of the network graph and have only one edge to one artist of Chris Newman's network, but are not yet directly linked to Chris Newman through an exhibition. The artist-to-artist point of view in this video is one of our 5 basic points of view we are offering. The other 4 are artist to her or his exhibition venues through exhibitions, curator to the artists shown in the curators' exhibitions, exhibition venue to exhibited artists and the artists' connections among each other, exhibition venue to all exhibition venues based on the same shown artists. More details for each point of view can be found on our website visualizingartnetworks.com. The network graph we are using for the visualization can show more details or group details in a different way to meet the focus of a specific project. This was a short overview of how many thousand exhibition history details can provide new insight by visualizing them with a network graph. Any questions or feedback is always welcome.